Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your existing account on the YNAB application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YNAB application on your device, and once you open it up, within the home page, you will see the Try YNAB for free option as well as the I already have an account button. Click on the second option to log into your existing account. From here, you will have the option to use your Google or your Apple account if you have used these while signing up for your account. Otherwise, just enter your email address followed by your password. After correctly entering your email address and your password, just click on the login button, and now this will verify your credentials and log you into your YNAB account right away. And now you can start using the finance management application for your benefit right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the YNAB application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.